If you've just passed your driving test in London, here's what happens next. Once the test is over, the examiner takes your provisional license, gives you a pass certificate, and arranges for DVLA to send you a full license. You can start driving straight away, and the pass certificate works as proof until your license arrives in the mail. Most people don't need to apply for anything. The only time you'll need to apply is if you didn't hand over your provisional, if your name or address has changed, or if you still have the older paper-style license from before 1998. If you do need to apply, sign your pass certificate, fill out Form D1 from a post office, and include your identity documents. Add a passport photo if you're using a paper provisional. Then send everything, including your provisional license, to DVLA in Swansea. Remember, if you're applying by post, you have 2 years from the date you passed. Wait longer than that, and you'll need to retake the test. And that's it. Once your license arrives, you're fully cleared to drive in the UK.